The true soldier fights not because he hates what is in front of him, but he loves what is behind of him. So hello everyone, I am your career counselor and I will share you how to become an ND officer, what is the roadmap to become an ND officer. So let's start. The first slide is what is NDA? Many people don't know what is NDA, but he decided to become NDA officer. The first of all, the full form of NDA is the National Defense Academy, and the second is exam name. The exam name is also NDA exam, but it is also known as NDA exam, and the NDA exam full form is Naval Academy, and the organization name is Union Public Service Commission plus uh, Ministry of Ministry of Defense. The training academy that is in National Defense Academy is located in Pune, Khadakwasla, and it is began in 1954. And there are three wings. The first is Army, and the second is Air Force, and the third is Navy. So, and it is conducted in each year, and you can apply in two times. And the what is the educational roadmap? Many childs to want to start how to study from the beginning. So there is a educational roadmap. The first is primary education. It is for uh, class 1 to 8. The class 1 to 8 students also have one work, build discipline and do the physical abilities according to your basic of school. And the second is secondary education, secondary school. It is for 9 to 10th class, and they are it is the work to clear that 10th class board and apply to if you can do the non stream by the non stream you can apply for 3 weeks, but it by if you the student of arts and commerce, so you can apply to army. And the third is higher secondary education. So higher secondary education, complete the 12th class and do your physical abilities and build your strong discipline. And the third is eligibility window, unmarried male and female candidates who are Indian citizen, they may be apply for this. And the next slide is cracking the ND exam merit list. It is the paper of 900 marks. The first is written exam, and it is divided in two parts. So first is mathematics papers, and the second is GAT test, and the second exam full form is general ability test. The mathematics papers has 300 marks, and the general ability test has the 600 marks, and it is the total of 900 marks. After if you have cleared this, so you will go to the SSB interview. There it is also 900 marks, and the the SSB officers check up your mental ability and give your condition and check your brain. And the medical third is medical exam. The medical exam officer check your medical health. You have any disorder, so they they will take the action regarding to this. And the fourth is final merit list. If you have cleared the SSB interview, written exam, and your medical test, so you will apply to the, so you will get the receipt joining letter. And the next slide is from candidates to commission officers. The first National Defense Academy, if you complete all the things, so you will go to the National Defense Academy in Khadakwasla, and you will complete your BTech, BSc, whatever you want to do. Uh, second is the last 1 year, you will apply to IMA, and IMA for Army, IMA for Navy, and AFA for Air Force. And the here you will able to how to चलाने के होते हैं गन से how to fire the bullet, how to fire the bullets, and how to uh, how, how to aim. And the second third is commission. After you have if you have complete your graduation and you have complete your abilities by the service academy, so you will will get the award from the end officer. And also the rank progression is from lower to higher. There is lieutenant, captain, major, lieutenant colonel, colonel, brigadier, and the first status lies as a commission officer. The duty, what is the duties and responsibilities of ND officer? The responsibilities and duties of ND officer make the unity in the soldiers and ensure discipline, training, welfare of the unit, operation planning, operation execute. These are the all things under the ND officer. And the second is what is the criteria of salary? The from the beginning you have the 56,000 per month payment and from the military service you will get the 15,000 to 500 per month. And also there are the facilities of DIA, HRA and other facilities. And the what is the criteria of uniform? The army has the combat green dress and the rank insignia on your soldiers and the ceremony. If officers have the different type of ceremony, so there is also different distinct type of dress. And the Y officer are appointed to lead soldiers with dignity and integrity. And the selected four officers like qualities not marks. And thank you. This is the this is the criteria to become ND officer. If you have any question, so please put to me. Which one do you want to become? Navy, army, or I want to join the army. Who is the education minister? The education minister of this. Everyone must know. We are studying. Who? No, we must. Which agency conducts the exam? It is conducted by the UPSC Union Public Service Commission plus the Ministry of Was. Don't you think that joining the army will have too much physical ramifications on our body? Like it means too much pressure on body on that. So what is the matter of this? If you have capable to do so, you will do. And if you have interest in other things, so you will apply to this.